Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen GTI S. This one's a pre-owned example with 13,000 miles on it, and it's in mint shape. This one has the DSG, which honestly sometimes I think suits this car a bit better than the manual, but I'd probably still buy a manual if I got one. 2-liter 4-cylinder, pushing out right about 220 horsepower or so, maybe a little less. I know the new ones are like 221 or something like that. Not a bad little motor. Got your turbo back there. All right. Inside, just like new. Oh. Some of these are easy. You know what? I'm done. Some of those are easier to take out than others. Brakes are phenomenal. Just got out of a Suburban that obviously doesn't stop nearly as well. Oh, love sports car brakes. They're amazing. If you've only driven big trucks and stuff like that, you gotta try sports car brakes. They, first time you use them, you'll probably go through the windshield. I drive a car with Brembos every day, and yet if I go drive a pickup truck, then I go into this to drive it, I still end up messing up. I'll do manual mode on the way back because I didn't engage the kick down mode at the end of the pedal. Over the speed bump, I'll take some speed. Not bad. These are such fun cars to drive. They're so much fun. I can't wait to drive the Mark 8, really see what it's like. Good car. Whoa, good brakes. On a hill, since it's dual clutch, I hate not disengaging that. Since it's dual clutch, you can sit on a hill, and then obviously you don't want to ride the clutch at all. So you can lift your foot off the brake, it holds it, and you're good to go. I went the wrong way. Look at me being stupid. I go this way now. We are selling trucks today, boys. Wow. There's a reason why I still think the Mark 7 GTI is one of the best sports cars on sale under, I'll say $40,000, because you can get one under 40. Now, I'd have one of these over a 370Z. I haven't driven a 370, so I can't say that yet. But I'd be hard pressed to spend the extra money over one of these. They're just phenomenal. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.